Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install OptiFine for any version of Minecraft on your Mac. Before we get started, it's important to know that you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. So if you don't have it already, I'll leave that tutorial linked in the description below. First thing we need to do is to open our Minecraft launcher. You want to go ahead and select the version of Minecraft you want to download OptiFine for. So for this example, it's going to be 1.12.4, and click on Play. Once Minecraft has opened, this means the correct Minecraft version files have been installed. So you want to click on Quit Game, and now we can go ahead and download OptiFine. To download OptiFine, we first need to open our web browser, and you want to go to optifine.net. I'll leave this link in the description below. From here, you want to click on the Downloads tab at the very top. Then you want to select your Minecraft version you want to download OptiFine for. Now if you don't see this, you want to select Show All Versions, and you can see previous versions here. Now for this example, we are going to be downloading OptiFine for 1.12.4, so you're going to click on the Download button. Then you'll need to wait 5 seconds for the Skip button to appear in the top right. Once it appears, you want to click on Skip. This will take you to the download page, so you simply want to click on Download. Then you want to go ahead and download the installer to your Mac. For this example, I'm going to download it to my desktop. Now we've downloaded OptiFine, we just need to go ahead and install it. So to do this, you want to open it up. And if you get this error message, it means we need to approve it in the system settings.